Meinberg, and today we're going to talk about transformations with Kia and Abby.
Let's go ahead and take a look at my whiteboard.
So, transformations. The three transformations we are talking about today are all congruence transformations. That means that the shape still has the same size, area, angles, and line lengths. The three that we will be talking about today are rotation, reflection, and translation. For translation, each point of an image is moved the same distance and in the same direction to form a new but congruent image. Each transition has a rule. The rule tells you where to translate an image. For example, the rule could be to translate the image 5 inches up and 3 inches to the right. Let's take this one for an example. We want to translate our bottom triangle 5 inches up and 3 inches to the right for our translated transformation.
For this translation problem, we are using folders as a unit of measurement. So for our rule, we are going to translate this image 2 folders to the right and 1 folder up. This is what I'm using. We're going to translate it to 2 folders to the right, make a mark, and then 2 folders up from, or 1 folder up from there, and make a mark. Then we're going to take our translated image and put it right where we marked.
Reflection is a lot like looking in a mirror. You're going to flip an object over a line of reflection. You can flip it over the horizontal or vertical reflection, or the X and Y axis. The line of reflection is equidistant from corresponding points. Let's go ahead and look at both of these reflections. For the first one, we would like to reflect the image on the left over the vertical reflection line to the right. So we're going to take our image and flip it onto the other side of the line of reflection. For the second one, it's a horizontal reflection, where we're going to flip our bottom image over the line of reflection and others onto the other side.
For this reflection problem, we're going to reflect the image over the vertical line of reflection. So we're simply going to take the image and flip it to the other side and keep it equal distance from the other image.
Rotation is like turning around a circle. This transformation is by spinning an object around a fixed point called the center of rotation. We generally rotate an object by 90, 180, 270, or 360 degrees counterclockwise. For this rotation, we're going to take the original triangle in the upper right-hand corner, spin it 90 degrees around the center of rotation to the upper left-hand corner, then spin it 180 degrees to the bottom left-hand corner, spin it again to the bottom right-hand corner, which is 270 degrees, and then spin it once more back to where the original triangle was, which is a 360-degree rotation.
For this problem, we are going to rotate our image 90 degrees counterclockwise around the center of rotation. So we're going to take the image and then just turn it a full 90 degrees and mark our rotation.
A little trick to help you remember rotation, reflection, and translation is the transformation tango. You turn for rotation, flip for reflection, and slide for transition. And it goes a little something like this.
So let's do the transformation tango. We're going to start with our turn, and then a flip,